Hello, my name is Jorge Guzman and I'm going to talk to you about the cell, the fundamental unit of life. Cell, basic and fundamental unit of life, it possesses a highly organized structure and that enables to carry out its vital functions. There are two type fundamentals of cell. Prokaryotic, which lacks a definite nucleus, and there is a eukaryotic, which have a definite nucleus. From these are from these they are subclassified in plant, animal, protists, and fungi. These are composed of several fundamental components, like cell membrane, nucleus, ribosome, root endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, chloroplast, lysosome and perisosome, centrioles, and microtubules, structure and basic functions. These components work together to maintain cellular homeostasis and perform essential life activities. Cell membrane. The cell membrane surrounds the cells and is a selective barrier between the interior and the exterior. Its primary role lies in regulating the passage of substances, including nutrients and waste materials. Within, specialist proteins play a crucial role in facilitating molecular transport and cellular communication. Cell nucleus, an organelle that houses DNA locate in the center of eukaryotic cells. Its primary function is to store and safeguard genetic information, controlling gene expression and DNA replication. It also contains the nucleus, which is involved in ribosome synthesis. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a gel-like matrix containing water, salts, proteins, and other molecules. It occupies the intercellular space between the cell membrane and the nucleus. It plays a crucial role in biochemical reactions. It plays a crucial role in biochemical reactions, energy production, and substance transport. Essential for the cellular metabolism, it provides structural support to the cell. Protein synthesis, building and repairing cellular structures, regulating biological processes, and expressing specific characteristics of each organism. Ribosome. Ribosomes are essential organelles for cellular functioning and survival. They synthesize proteins using the generate information from messenger RNA, which is crucial for cellular structure, function, and regulation. Ribosomes are located in the cytoplasm and the raw endoplasmic reticulum, a network of interconnected membranes that extends from the nuclear membrane to the cell membrane. It plays a fundamental role in the transport, processing, and distribution of proteins and lipids within the cell. There are two main types of endoplasmic reticulum. The raw endoplasmic reticulum is studied with ribosomes and is involved in synthesis and modification of proteins. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum specializes in lipid synthesis, carbohydrate metabolism, and detoxification. Golgi apparatus, key in processing and packaging of proteins and lipids produced in the endoplasmic reticulum. It synthesizes carbohydrates and lipoproteins and is essential for maintaining the cell's internal balance and facilitating communication with the outside. Composed of a series of flattened sacs called cisterns, it acts as the shipping center of the cell, sorting and packaging proteins into vesicles for transport and distribution. Energy supply. To carry out vital functions and necessary metabolic processes essential for the proper functioning of cell and organs. Mitochondria, present in eukaryotic animals and plant cells. Their primary function is energy generation through cellular respiration, ATP production. The double membrane of mitochondria allows for the organization of various stages of the respiratory chain, making it crucial for the cellular fusion and survival. Chloroplasts, exclusive to plant cells and photosynthetic organisms, chloroplasts carry out photosynthesis, converting solar energy into chemical energy. During, during photosynthesis, they synthesize glucose and other organic compounds using carbon dioxide and water, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. They are responsible for the crucial production of oxygen that sustains the planet. Cellular digestion. It involves breaking down molecules and unwanted materials, enabling the recycling of nutrients and cellular maintenance. Lysosomes. They contain digestive enzymes that break down molecules and unwanted cellular materials. They facilitate cellular digestion by disposing of waste, recycling nutrients, and defending against pathogenic invasions. Peroxisomes. They contain enzymes that degrade hydrogen peroxide and toxic compounds, thereby protecting the cell from oxidative damage. Additionally, they play a role in the synthesis and degradation of lipids and bile acids, regulating lipid metabolism and overall homeostasis. Support and movement. Maintaining cellular shape, enabling cellular movement, and division are essential for its functionality and survival. Cytoskeleton is composed of protein filaments, microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate filaments, and provides support and enables movement in eukaryotic cells. Its specific functions encompass stability, intracellular transport, and contraction. Furthermore, it regulates cellular shape and plays a role in division, migration, and communication. Flagella and cilia. Specialized structures for movement, they are elongate and enable locomotion in liquid environments, whereas cilia are short and create coordinate flow on the cell surface, composed of microtubules in a 9 plus 2 pattern. They are essential for sperm motility, storage, and transportation. They manage nutrients, eliminate waste, and regulate metabolic process. Vacuoles, membrane-bound organelles found in plant cells and some animal cells. They store nutrients, water, ions, and waste material, regulating sugar pressure and osmotic balance. Vacuoles can also have involvement in the digestion of substances and serve as a defense mechanism against predators by containing toxins. Vesicles and endosomes. Membranous vesicles that transport specific materials between organelles and cell membrane. Vesicles. They transport materials from the endoplasmic reticulum and the Golgi apparatus to other destinations. Endosomes. They capture and distribute materials for degradation, recycling, or the incorporation into metabolic pathways.